Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this chamfer a little bit. Let's start. Firstly we open a new part, and in front plane we create a sketch. Always we are making the first sketch, which is going to be looking like the last model, and I'm just going to complete it. Yes, something like this. Going to be profile. Before we revolve, this dimension is 10, the length is 40, this is 45, this is diameter 21, and here we have a 2mm diameter. That we just a little bit move our sketch. This is 8.5, length is 4. This is going to be 60 degree, and we have here 3mm flat area. The total length is 60. After this we can just close our sketch and make a revolve here. We made a revolve, and we have a 1mm chamfer right there, and we have a 0.5mm chamfer here. After this we just going to cut our cutout, and in front plane I open a sketch, tangency, and we go create it, we go close it, and radius is 17 with 0.5mm offset from the beginning plane with through all, and with 10 degree draft outward. This is the parameters for cut. After this operation we just make 3 times in amount of this circular place. We have our model, and let's give some random color it, and this area is always this tools, as you know, it is not always but generally it's black, because after surface treatment hardening operation they are grinding that, and these areas are not grinded. Yeah, this is the model. It was very simple. Thank you for watching.